सो हेलो वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम किस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं ACC 122 का सीजर का पेपर। इस पूरी वीडियो में हम 150 क्वेश्चन की आंसर की करेंगे। चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं बिना वक्त गवाए। तो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इज द रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवे मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया। करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ए ऑप्शन, नितिन गडकरी। दूसरा प्रश्न है, हु इज द चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया। करेक्ट आंसर है इसका श्री राजीव कुमार। सुनील अरोड़ा थे जो, वो थे 23rd, लेकिन जो अभी रिसेंटली हैं इस समय वर्तमान में वो है श्री राजीव कुमार जो कि 25th इलेक्शन में है। ठीक है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, ऑन विच डेट होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह अनाउंस सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन टू रिपेल आर्टिकल 370 एंड आर्टिकल 35A। करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा 5 अगस्त 2019। ए ऑप्शन इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा। हु वाज द फर्स्ट तुर्क टू इन्वेड इंडिया। करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा मोहम्मद गजनी। डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। हु इज द अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया। करेक्ट आंसर इज के वेणुगोपाल। बी ऑप्शन। हु वट वाज राष्ट्रपति भवन प्रीवियसली नोन एज वाइसरॉयस हाउस। बी ऑप्शन। When did Goa became part of India? Correct answer is 1961. Which Indian citizen won the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2019? Correct answer Ravish Kumar. Which security force is responsible for the protection of the Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Special Protection Group SPG. Firoz Shah belonged to which dynasty? Correct answer Tughlaq. B option. Headquarters of UN Security Council located in New York. B option. Inca civilization begins in Peru. D option is the correct answer. Industrial revolution started in which of the following country? Correct answer is England. B option. Falkland Island is a disputed territory between Argentina and UK. D option. Which of the following is the narrowest strait of the world? Correct answer is Bosphorus Strait. C option. Which is the largest province of Pakistan in terms of area? Balochistan. C option. Which of the following countries is not a part of G7? तो G7 की जो कंट्री जो पार्ट नहीं है वो कौन सी है इनमें से? वो है इंडिया। और जो कंट्रीज पार्ट हैं वो हैं कनाडा, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटली, जापान, यूके, यूएसए एंड यूरोपियन यूनियन। ठीक है। और आगे देखिए, हु इज द सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस। करेक्ट आंसर इज एंटोनियो गुटेरेस। सी ऑप्शन। बिफोर द एडवेंट ऑफ तालिबान अफगानिस्तान वास। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर में मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट है। अगर किसी को पूरी तरह से करेक्ट इसका आंसर पता है तो वो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकता है। ठीक है। लेकिन फिर भी इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो सकता है? इसका हो सकता है बी ऑप्शन, मोनार्ची। ठीक है। लेकिन फिर भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत होता है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। हु वाज द फर्स्ट एम्पायर ऑफ रोमन एम्पायर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑगस्टस। बी ऑप्शन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज क्रेडिट टू गिव द आइडिया ऑफ लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी। करेक्ट आंसर फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन। कब हुई थी? ये हुई थी 1789 में आई थी। ठीक है। आजाद जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया होल्ड ऑफिस जब वो 35 साल का हो जाएगा। सी ऑप्शन इसका करेक्ट आंसर। Central Vigilance Commission was set up on the recommendation of which of the following committees? Correct answer is Santhanam Committee. What is the minimum age required to contest election to the panchayats? Correct answer is 21 years. Which High Court has jurisdiction over the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is Guwahati. A option. How many number of seats does Lok Sabha has? Correct answer is 545. Which of the following state has a bicameral legislature? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा कर्नाटका। टोटल कौन कौन से स्टेट हैं जिनके पास बाइकैमरल लेजिस्लेचर है? वो है आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना एंड यूपी, उत्तर प्रदेश। टोटल है 6 स्टेट्स जिनके पास बाइकैमरल लेजिस्लेचर है। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स आर्मड फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक्ट वाज इम्पोज्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? 7 नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स। ठीक है। ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Right to life and personal liberty are ancient in which of the following articles of Constitution of India? Correct answer is Article 21. D option. Following word is ancient in the preamble of Constitution of India. Correct answer is socialist. Governor of RBI. RBI governor है शक्तिकांत दास। D option is the correct answer. What is total market value of all final goods and services produced during a given period within a nation's domestic border called? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा GDP. Which was the first bank established in India in 1770? Bank of Hindustan. C option. Which organization is made specifically responsible for empowering micro, small and medium enterprises in India? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा SIDBI. C option is the correct answer. Which of the following is a step undertaken by the government to reduce parallel economy in India? Correct answer is VDS. Voluntary Disclosure Scheme. B option. Indian currency is printed at which of the following places? Nashik, Hoshangabad and Mysore. Correct answer is D option, all of the above. The rate at which central bank of country lends money to commercial banks within the country is known as repo rate. A option is the correct answer. Portion of deposits banks have to park with RBI is called cash reserve ratio, CRR. Economic growth is normally coupled with. Correct answer is inflation. Following was the first Indian company to be privatized in India. Correct answer is Maruti Udyog Limited. D option. Which is the radioactive isotope of hydrogen? Tritium is the correct answer. Which of the following is ferromagnetic? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा निकल. Nickel has 28 electrons and 2 valence electron in its 4s2 orbital. ठीक है. When sound travels from air to water, but which of these remains constant? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा frequency. B option. The process in which the ore is heated in excess of air below its melting point. Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा calcination. B option. Nucleon is the general name for. करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा न्यूक्लियन इज द जनरल नेम फॉर. इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर डी ऑप्शन, प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन. व्हाट डू वी कॉल द एटॉमिक स्पीसीज ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट्स डिफरिंग इन मास? करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा आइसोटोप्स. ए ऑप्शन. इफ अ कार, अ पेबल एंड अ फेदर इज ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम अ हाइट एट द सेम टाइम इन वैक्यूम, व्हाट विल रीच द ग्राउंड फर्स्ट? करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा सी ऑप्शन. 3 विल रीच एट सेम टाइम. Which are following connective tissues join bones to bones? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा ligaments. C option is the correct answer. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. C option is the correct answer. Which of the following was first human made plastic? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा celluloid. C option. Which nation will host FIFA World Cup 2022? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा Qatar. B option. Who won the women's singles title at Australian Open 2019? Naomi Osaka is the correct answer. Who won the golden bat at Cricket World Cup 2019? Correct answer is the Rohit Sharma. Which team has won the maximum number of seasons of Pro Kabaddi League? Correct answer is Patna Pirates. A option. Who is the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in any format at IAAF World U20 Championship? Correct answer is PT Usha. A option is the correct answer. Which among the following sports have largest number of participants in terms of either side? In teams of either side. Correct answer is rugby football. A option. Winter Olympics are being held since which year? 1924 से चल रहा है. B option is the correct answer. What does Olympic flame symbolize? It symbolize continuity. B option is the correct answer. Which country won the 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup title? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा Spain. Spain is the correct answer. A option. Pankaj Advani is related to which of the following sport? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा billiards. C is the correct answer. C option. A option इसका correct answer नहीं होगा. इसका correct answer होगा C option. Which is the holy book of Buddhism? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा C option. त्रिपिटकस. ठीक है. What is the name of the autobiography of Nelson Mandela? Long Walk to Freedom is the correct answer. C option. Wangala festival is celebrated in which of the state of the India? Meghalaya is the correct answer. Meghalaya. Which movie is the official entry from India for the Oscars 2020? Gully Boy is the correct answer. A option. Nora Jones is the daughter of Pandit Ravi Shankar is the correct answer. Ellora caves dating back to 600 to 100 CE are located in which of the following cities? Are located in Aurangabad. B option is the correct answer. Following was the first garden tomb built in India. Correct answer Humayun tomb, New Delhi. British architect was chosen as lead architect for designing of New Delhi. Edwin Lutyens. A option is the correct answer. Which of the following Indian dance from the face of the artist is painted over to appear as through a mask is worn and the facial muscles play an important part? Correct answer is Kathakali. C option. Temple of the Emerald Buddha is located in which country? Thailand is the correct answer. On which date Vijay Diwas celebrated? Celebrated on 16 December. दोस्तों ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है 26 जुलाई को. इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 26 ऑफ जुलाई. तो ऑप्शन थोड़ी सी गलती हुई है. इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 26 जुलाई को विजय दिवस सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ईयर 2019 इज बीइंग ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय इंडियन आर्मी एज. करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा ईयर ऑफ नेक्स्ट ऑफ किन. सी ऑप्शन. विच कारगिल वार हीरो सेड ये दिल मांगे मोर? करेक्ट आंसर इज विक्रम बत्रा. D option. What was the code name given by Indian Air Force to Balakot air strikes? Correct answer is Bandar. C option. Bandar. ठीक है. Who was the first commander in chief of Indian Army? General K.M. Karyappa. B option. Correct answer. Which of the following companies is manufacturing K9 Vajra self-propelled gun in India? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा Larsen and Toubro L&T. ठीक है. B option. Correct answer. Which assault rifle is being produced by Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited in Amethi, which will become the mainstay of Indian Army? Correct answer is AK-2203. ठीक है. So B option is the correct answer. Which of the following organization has Sarvatra Sarvotam Suraksha as its slogan? National Security Guard. Correct answer C option. Which of the following beyond visual range air-to-air missile was successfully flight tested from Su-30 MKI? Astra is the correct answer. Exercise Maitri is a joint military exercise which is being conducted since 2006 between the armies of India and Thailand. D option. Which is the brightest planet? Correct answer is Venus. A option. What is the angle of tilt of the rotational axis of Earth? 23.5 degree. B option. How many constellations covering the entire northern and southern sky are recognized by international astronomical units? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा 88. A option. What is the distance of sun from Earth? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा 151.41 मिलियन किलोमीटर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ 150 जो इसके आसपास है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ अर्थ इन इट्स ऑर्बिट कॉल्ड व्हेन इट इज नियरेस्ट टू द सन? करेक्ट आंसर इसका हो जाएगा पेरिहिलियन. ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट डज द कलर ऑफ स्टार इंडिकेट? करेक्ट आंसर इज टेम्परेचर ऑफ द स्टार. टाइटन इज द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लैनेट? सैटर्न इज द करेक्ट आंसर. वी हैव हाई एंड लो टाइड्स ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटी ऑफ मून ओनली. सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. The moon orbits the earth every 27.3 days. A option. Olympus Mons, the biggest mountain in our solar system, is located on Mars. C option is the correct answer. Which of the following is the first biosphere reserve of India? Nilgiri is the correct answer. B option. Which is the topmost layer of atmosphere? Correct answer is exosphere. B option. Lunar eclipse occurs only on full moon day. B option. Which is the branch of science that deals with measuring the Earth's size and shape? Correct answer is geodesy. B option is the correct answer. Which mountain series separates Asia from Europe? Correct answer is Ural. B option. Which of the following countries share the largest border length with India? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा बांग्लादेश. Jaravas and Sentinelese tribes are found in which of among the following state or union territories of India? Correct answer इसका हो जाएगा Andaman and Nicobar Islands. B option. Gangotri Glacier, which is the one of the primary source of river Ganga, is located in which country? Correct answer is D option. D option is the correct answer. Jadugoda mines are famous for uranium deposits. B option. Which of the following countries are divided by the Red Cliff Line? Correct answer India and Pakistan. Mineral which is needed more in girls as compared to the boys is correct answer is iron. C option. Malaria disease is caused by protozoa. C option. AIDS disease was first reported from USA. C option. Hepatitis B is also called serum jaundice. B option. A vaccine meant for protection against tuberculosis is BCG. A option. Which of the following diseases is associated with vitamin C deficiency? B option is the correct answer. Scurvy. Problem in blood coagulation arises from the deficiency of vitamin K. A option. Who is known as the father of microbiology? Antonio van Leeuwenhoek. ठीक है, B option is the correct answer. A sticky film that coats teeth and contains bacteria is known as plaque. B option. Following is not a symptom of for altitude sickness. Correct answer is increased appetite. Who is the ruler credited for building the Grand Trunk Road? Sher Shah Suri. B option is the correct answer. Tenure of Judge of International Court of Justice. Correct answer 9 years. Height of Statue of Unity in Gujarat 182 meter. 11th BRICS Summit will be held on Brasilia. A option is the correct answer. Which is the widest river in the world? Amazon. Currency of Japan is yen. A option is the correct answer. Following is not a member of Nuclear Supplier Group NSG. Correct answer is Israel. D option. Following is the most fertile soil? Alluvial soil. ठीक है, A option is the correct answer. Purest form of gold is 24 karat. C option. Which type of tooth has the longest root? B option canine. Increase in oil seed production was due to yellow revolution. B option. Process of fusion between male and egg nuclei is syngamy. A option. Term vitamin was coined by C. Funk. पूरा name है Casimir Funk. Large Hadron Collider, world's largest particle accelerator, is located at Geneva, Switzerland. Which of the medium altitude long endurance UAV being developed by DRDO? Rustam. A option is the correct answer. The term radioactivity was coined by Marie Curie. B option is the correct answer. Following scientists discovered electron. Correct answer is J.J. Thomson. Fifth generation fighter jet. पहला फिफ्थ जनरेशन फाइटर जेट कौन सा है? वो है F-22 Raptor. B option is the correct answer. Rocket system was used for mission Chandrayaan 2. GSLV Mk3. ठीक है, Mk3. C option is the correct answer. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. ठीक है, D option is the correct answer. Who developed integrated chips? J.S. Kirby. B option is the correct answer. What is the name of the executable file of MS Word? विनवर्ड EXE, ठीक है, winword.exe, डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। फुल फॉर्म ऑफ HTTP, हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, ए ऑप्शन। सिस्टम डिजाइन टू प्रिवेंट अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस टू और फ्रॉम अ प्राइवेट नेटवर्क कॉल्ड इज फायरवॉल, फायरवॉल इज डी ऑप्शन। व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोसेसिंग डाटा, इसका आंसर आप बताएंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में, ठीक है, इसका आंसर क्या होगा। 136 चीफ कंपोनेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर वाज वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड वाल्व्स, बी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Which of the following storage devices can store maximum amount of data? Hard disk is the correct answer, B option. 1 megabyte consists of 1024 kilobytes, C option. Abacus was the first mechanical calculator, D option. In Windows operating system, what happens upon pressing Alt and F4 simultaneously? Shutdown menu pops up. ठीक है, A option is the correct answer. Who is considered as the greatest commander of France? Correct answer, Napoleon Bonaparte. C option is the correct answer. C option. Leader of Bolshevik revolution in Russia, Lenin is the correct answer, A option. और जिन दोस्तों के पास ये पेपर अवेलेबल नहीं है, ठीक है, तो वो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जाके यहाँ पे जाके आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, पूरी PDF को। Which Indian politician was awarded Bharat Ratna for the year 2019? Pranab Mukherjee is the correct answer, D option. L. Subramaniam is the famous player of violin, B option. Who is the creator of the cartoon character Chacha Chaudhary? Pran Kumar Sharma, D option. Who is the writer of the book God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy, A option. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Lal Bahadur Shastri, D option. Who wrote the poem Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, A option. Who was the disciple of Greek philosopher Socrates? Correct answer is Plato. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India? Correct answer is Dayan Chand, A option. तो ये थे हमारे ACC 122 CZ का पेपर है, जो उसके पूरे 150 क्वेश्चन की आंसर की, ठीक है। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं एक और नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक